Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get alerts for evil twin Wi-Fi network in GlassWire. To detect evil twin Wi-Fi network, fake hotspot impersonating real ones using GlassWire, you need to use its network monitoring plus device alerts features. GlassWire cannot directly label something as evil twin, but it can warn you about suspicious network or the device behavior. So what you can do is you can open to your GlassWire, and an evil twin is a fake Wi-Fi network using the same or similar name SSID as a real network. And after that, what you can do is you need to click to this log analysis here, and in order to do that you need to upgrade. And if someone sets up an evil twin and devices start routing differently, you may see new or suspicious device appearing over here as well. And you can also go to this traffic monitoring the top here, go to this graph here, and at the top selected Wi-Fi view, click the network stream to see the first seen date here. And you can also go to this time zone. You can select this 3 hours, 24 hours, 5 minutes, or for the custom as well, which is for the upgrade. And the same Wi-Fi name appears with a different gateway IP or different MAC address than usual, and that could indicate an evil twin. And GlassWire monitors network traffic, not Wi-Fi broadcasting signals. It cannot detect fake SSID directly, scan nearby Wi-Fi access point. And this isn't, while GlassWire cannot directly say this is an evil twin, it helps to detect unusual network behavior that may indicate one. And thank you for watching this video. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.